Imagine waking up every morning surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, tucked away at the very end of a dead-end cul-de-sac where kids can play out front freely and you can swim and entertain in your in-ground pool surrounded by a cottage-like setting. With 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and multiple flex spaces, as well as a separate entrance, this home can transform for your personal needs. Come along with us down the road less traveled to 18 Stonegate Drive.
It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. The river running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on a tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Dragonfly out in the sun, you know what I mean, don't you know? Butterflies all having fun, you know what I mean. Sleep in peace when day is done, that's what I mean. And this old world is a new world and a bold world for me. For me. For scent of the pine, you know how I feel. Oh, freedom is mine, and I know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life. It's a new dawn,